How cucumber water can get a lean body. What's your preferred thirst quencher? Searching for a healthy and hydrating beverage? Would you like to sip on something which both tastes great and enables you to feel happy? With summertime underway, pool parties are plenty, beach bashes are bumpin', and also the heat is constantly on the hike. All of the summertime fun requires an excellent beverage to hydrate and refresh with. Start consuming cucumber water. Fresh cucumbers fights bad breath. Excess heat within the stomach continues to be noted to result in bad breath. Remaining hydrated with cucumber water might help cool lower excess stomach heat. Cucumber water can help you drop those pounds. Cucumbers are lower in calories and in fiber. If you are searching for the way to tame your hunger and keep a proper weight, this prep pickle will help you out. 1 cup of cucumbers contains under 20 calories. This means that cucumbers rank among the cheapest snacking products available. Better bring your veggies. Cucumber. An easy vegetable. A lot dietary value. 1 cucumber contains vitamin A, vitamin B complex 6, and vitamin C, magnesium, and calcium. It is a super vegetable. Cucumber water supports heart health. Heart-related illnesses are the main killer in the USA. A produce wealthy diet is a superb method of attaining the kitchen connoisseur. Adding cucumbers, among a large choice between other fruits and vegetables, to your water might help your heart strength. Water all gone? Eat those potassium-wealthy cucumbers to complete off.